Alright, so welcome back guys. Today we're gonna talk about steering. So there's a lot of people, goes around, that's not how steering works. That's crazy, counter steering, you don't have to do that, you just use your instincts. Right, and that's the reason why a lot of people get into accidents, because of trusting their instincts when they did not have any proper training, any experience on riding properly. So I'm gonna show you the two ways how to steer. We're gonna show you direct steering, how it works, and counter steering. Right? So stay tuned guys. So de-demonstrate ko sa inyo yung direct steering, no? Yung natural na alam ninyong pagliko, liko mo sa kanan, liliko yung bike sa kanan, liko mo sa kaliwa, liliko yung bike sa kaliwa. Ang gamit natin ngayon, ang tawag natin dito Supermoto, no? It's a dirt bike na yung configuration pinalitan natin, nilagyan natin ng road tires, right? Para lang ma-demonstrate natin na one riding system all bike. So pakita mo yung bike. Ayan. Okay, naka-road tires tayo. Okay? So sa demonstration na to, hindi lang ako naka-helmet, hindi naman kalsada to, but then again, if you're gonna ride on the road, always wear a helmet. So direct steering, right? So direct steering, kung saan mo liko, dun siya pupunta. Kung ang speed mo is, sabihin natin 0 hanggang around mga 35 to 35 kilometers per hour, no? So ito siya, direct steering. Nakaliko yung motor sa kanan, so liliko yung motor sa kanan. Yung motor sa kanan, liliko siya sa kanan. Okay yun, kung takbo mo, mabagal ka lang, diba? Pero pag umibilis ka, tulad ng dine-demonstrate mo, sinasabi ko palagi, nagkakaroon ng force na generate yung ikot mo na gulong, gyro ang tawag doon, hindi nagagana yun, diba? So ulitin ko, ito yung direct steering, diba? Kaliwa naman. So ito yung direct steering. Okay guys, so now nandito tayo sa racetrack para bibilis tayo ng konti. Papakita ko sa inyo yung isang form na steering, which is counter steering, right? Para kasi pag mas mabilis yung motor, meron ng gyro, hindi mo siya maililiko ng katulad ng ginagawa mo, liko sa kanan, liko sa kanan, liko sa kaliwa, hindi na mangyayari yun. Kailangan mo i-lean ngayon yung bike para lumiko gamit yung gyro. Check this out. Gamit pa rin natin yung aking Supermoto, no? So, nilagyan lang natin ng road tires, okay? Medyo basa yung track, so alalay lang tayo. Here we go. Basa yung track. Pag basa yung track, no? Siyempre, mas less yung kapit. So, kailangan alalay lang tayo. Okay. So, yung first corner dito, chicane, flip-flop. So, counter steer. Ayan, no? Kita nyo, tinutulak ko lang yung manibela, di ba? Up, roll up throttle, braking, downshift, and then counter steer. Ayan, no? Tinutulak yung manibela. Oh, gas. So, lean out, no? Lean out yung ginagawa ko ngayon, right? Ito, nagagamit mo para sa mga motorsiklo na medyo mataas ang geometry, parang kumbaga adventure bike, dirt, mga Supermoto, or even mga standard, no? So ito, lean out, o yan, no? Counter steering. Hindi ko nililiko dito, hinahatak ko ng kamay ko para dito humarap, right? O ito ulit, ha? O, roll up throttle, o, right? So tinutulak ko, ayan, no? O, diba? So instead na iliko kong ganon, tinutulak ko ng kamay ko na to yung manibela. Right? So here we go again. Okay? So roll up throttle, braking, downshift. Oh, tutulak ko ngayon, ayan oh, tutulak ko. Diba? Oh, humihiga ngayon yung bike. Okay, so sana may napulot kayo sa konting tips natin yan. I hope you picked up something with the tips that I've given you. Now also remember guys, it's so easy to say, nah, that's not how it's done. I know this, I know that. But make sure you know what you're doing before you actually do it and talk about it. This is Joy Storm Rivero reminding you to share the road and on the track. Joy Storm.